So in this video, you'll learn how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy A56 to your USB flash drive. So the first step is to open the Files app on your phone. And then from here, you want to go to internal storage and you want to select the files that you want to transfer. If the files are not here, then you can always just use these categories so that you can easily sort through the files, whether it's an image or a video or an audio file. And then once you've selected the file or files that you wish to transfer, all you need to do is choose your transfer method. So you have two options. You have the choice to move or to copy. So choose the one you'd prefer to use. And then once you've made your choice, you'll then be brought to this pop-up menu. So from here, you need to move from internal storage to a USB storage section. And once you've done that, you can choose any of these pre-created folders that you have here, or to just save it directly onto the storage device. Or you can tap on this plus icon to create a whole new folder for these files that you're transferring. So it's completely up to you. And once you've made your choice, just tap on copy here and wait for the process to complete itself. Once it's complete, you can just navigate back to the main files menu and then go to your USB storage like that. And then once there, navigate to where you've saved the files and you should see it list them right there on your USB flash drive. So that's how you can successfully transfer files from your A56 to your USB flash drive. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.